Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Kumar EduTech. So today very important and interesting topic, that is comparison of Protozoa to Nematelminths. So these Protozoa to Nematelminths are invertebrates. Invertebrates or Protozoa to Hemichordata or Echinodermata. But I will giving only 5 phylums comparison. Protozoa to Nematelminths. Comparison means so different types of general characters in the different phylums. So first Protozoa. So scientist name. First Protozoa coined by Goldblass. Protozoa. The term Protozoa is coined by Goldblass, and Porifera. The term Porifera is coined by Robert Grant. Next to Aristotle. Coelenterata name proposed by Aristotle, and Platyhelminthes name proposed by Gegenberg. And next, further lastly, Nematelminths name proposed by Groben. Next, meaning of the phylum name. So, Protos means first. Protos means first or primitive. And Zoas. Zoas means animal. Protozoa means primitive animals or first animals is called as Protozoa. Next, Porifera. Porous. Porous means pores. And Ferae. Ferae means to bearing. So pores bearing animals is called as Porifera. Next, Coelenterata. Coelenterata or Cnidaria. So Cnidoblast cells are present. So Cnidaria or Coelenterata. Coelenteron means stinging animals is called as Coelenterata. Next to Platyhelminthes. Platys means flat. Helminthes. Helminthes means worms. Next to Nematelminths or Nematoda. Nema means round or thread. And Helminthes means worms. So round worms or thread worms is called as Nematelminths. Flat worms is called as Platyhelminthes. So habitat is these protozoans are aquatic. Free living organisms. Next, Poriferans. Poriferans also aquatic. And free living animals. Then Coelenterata also aquatic, sedentary or solitary in nature. Next, going to next phylum, Platyhelminthes is a commensals or parasitic animals. Next, Nematelminths are also commensals or parasitic animals. Sedentary or solitary. Sedentary means attached to substrate is called as sedentary. So next character is cellular level, cells. So protozoans are acellular or unicellular organism. Acellular or unicellular, only one cell is present in protozoa species. Then next to Porifera to Nematelmenthes. These all phylums are multicellular organism. Multicellular organism. Multicellular and multicellular. So next point is protozoa. Protozoans are acellular or unicellular organisms, and remaining Porifera to Nematelmenthes are multicellular organisms. Then the next character is symmetry. Symmetry is protozoans. Protozoans are asymmetrical. Asymmetrical organisms are bilaterally symmetrical. Asymmetrical organisms are bilaterally symmetrical organisms. So next to poriferans are radially or asymmetrically. Asymmetrical or radially symmetrical organisms. Next to Coelenterata. Coelenterates are radially symmetrical organisms. Next to Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes bilaterally symmetrical. Bilateral symmetrical. Then last Nematelmenthes also radial or bilaterally symmetrical. The next point, organization. So protozoans. Protozoans are protoplasmic grade of organization. Protoplasmic grade of organization means one cell perform all different types of activities is called as protoplasmic grade of organization. Then next to cellular level grade of organization. So these are multicellular organisms. Only cells are formed, not organs. So cellular level grade of organization occurs. Next to Coelenterata. In Coelenterata, tissue level grade of organization. Tissue level grade of organization is occurs. So multicellular organism, different types of cells are formed to tissue. The next to Platyhelminthes. In Platyhelminthes, organ level grade of organization. In Nematelmenthes, system grade of organization. Is occurs. Protoplasmic grade of organization is occurs in protozoa. Next in Porifera, cellular level grade of organization, and Coelenterata, tissue level grade of organization. Platyhelminthes, organ level grade of organization, and Nematelmenthes, system grade of organization is occurs. So locomotory organs. Locomotory organs in protozoa. Locomotory organs in protozoa are cilia, flagella, and pseudopodium. cilia, flagella, and pseudopodiums are locomotory organs in protozoa. Then next, in porifera, no locomotory organs are present. So, locomotory organs are absent. Next, Coelenterata. In Coelenterata also locomotory organs are absent because these organisms are sedentary or solitary. Then Platyhelminthes. In Platyhelminthes, locomotory organs are modified to suckers. Suckers or hooks. Suckers or hooks or adhesive substances. Adhesive substances. Adhesive substances. Next to Nematohelminthes also. In Nematohelminthes also adhesive substances. Adhesive substances is occurs. These adhesive substances are suckers and hooks.